Hello, I'm Anna, polymer clay jewelry artist and a new mom. You have probably noticed that English is not my first language and that I probably live somewhere in Europe. Whenever I'm filming, I feel uncomfortable because of my speech. But when I'm filming, I feel so fearless at the same time. I have started my YouTube channel despite being uncomfortable. I'm enjoying it so much, although I have only a few views on my videos. It's really hard to persist if your channel doesn't grow fast, but still, I'm here and keeping my channel a secret from people I know. And probably it will stay like that. I want to change my life. I want to reinvent myself, till some point, of course. Maybe desire for the change hits you when you are getting close to 40s. What do you think? Every year I'm realizing more that I don't live forever and that I want to do things that I love. Even when I'm not supported by the people with whom I'm surrounded. I also want to have fun and feel the freedom with creating my art. I took my child to kindergarten and now I have time to work. Today was so cold outside, that's why I will prepare a warm drink and then start to work. I wanted to open my Etsy store with my jewelry from the year 2021. I have opened the store, but I was never satisfied with my products. I uploaded the photo of the product and the next day I removed it. I didn't like the product or the photo. It was not good enough. After years of trying, learning and a lot of failed products in my drawer, I'm finally satisfied with my products and I want to share them with the world. Not just my friends, relatives, and my country. I finally opened my Etsy shop and the photos are still there. I'm happy that my shop is still full of products and that I'm updating it with new ones. I believe that I'm the only one who is responsible for my life, to make some moves and changes. That's why I'm still here. Speaking my broken English, editing the video and dreaming. Today I came up with the idea to make dangles in pink color. They will be assembled from two parts, so let's see how they will turn out. This is all for this video. See you in the next one.